Yes, class, good morning. Today topic your problem solving exercise 2.3. This exercise is a very important exercise because we have learned in this exercise how to find out the domain, range and codomain. Second important things in this exercise, we have required the main tools of the number system. Real numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number, irrational numbers, every type number have required here. So then you practice every types of number system. Now then start the questions. Yes, first, what is the given here? Find the domain and range of the following real function. Here given real function, I am taking two part here, first part and the second part. So what is the first part here? The solution. This is the first part. Fx equal minus mod x. You know that this is the mod function outside of the negative sign. So when you putting the x belong here, what value of the x? X belong here real number. This is a real function. This is given here. The real function means value of the x and y both here real number. So we are first we taking here domain, then we find the codomain. Next, so x belong here the real number. So suppose we are putting the x value here, putting here 1, then result always come here 1. This is will come the 1, and this sign minus. Suppose you are putting here minus 1, then this minus 1 here, then also here come here minus 1. So when you putting here always, you putting here positive number, then come the negative. When you putting the negative number, then also come here negative. Means always come here real numbers. But suppose you are putting here x equal to 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Suppose you are putting 1 by 2 here, then what result come here? 1 by 2, then result come minus 1 by 2. So always come here negative number. What is the value of the fx? This is the value of the fx, and this is the value of the domain. This is the value of fx means range. This is the value of the all values are 1, 2, 3, 4 every n. So then these are values are called the range values, and these are values are called the domain values. It means when you putting here fx, what value of the fx here? What value of the fx? You check this. Fx is always come less than equal to 0, where for every x belong here r. What result come here? What is the conclusion of this? What is the conclusion of this? Means fx always come less than equal. Suppose you are putting x equal to here 0, then result come minus 0 is equal to 0. When you putting minimum value here 0 here, then result also comes here. You are putting positive, then come negative. Putting negative, then come also negative. It is not. What is the conclusion of the means? Value of the fx here always less than equal to 0. This is sign of the for every, means for all values of the x. It means for all values of the x are. This is called the domain. This is called the domain. This part is called the domain. So what is the domain here? You will write your domain. What is the domain here? All real number. You are putting any numbers here, all real numbers. The domain here all real numbers. This is the real numbers. You are putting means domain your real numbers. What is the range? What is the range? Range always come here the negative sign, not come in the positive sign. It means the range always your negative real number. This is the symbol of the negative real number. R negative means negative real number. R negative means negative real number. And R positive means positive real number. R positive means positive real number. R negative means negative real number. Means all negative number, but 0 also consider here. Then you can write here union 0. Then means all negative number union 0. This is your range. This is your range. Means all negative including union means add. Union means add, then 0 also here. So 0 is not negative, not positive. It means 0 here, including here. Then you can say this is the your This is your answer domain, this is your answer range. The very simple things are, this is your rough work. This is not required fair. This is your rough work. This is your answer. How to find very simple things. First of all, function here given x belong R here. That means what value of the fx. And you know what value of the fx. Fx means y. And y means codomain. This is a range part. Those are mapping by the real number. Those number here called only the mapping, the range. So here fx less than equal to 0, x belong R. This is your answer. Yes, note down the next question. Yes, then first part is completed. Now start the second part here. The second part here, fx equal to root 9 minus x square, where x belongs is the real number. Now look here, what value of the fx depend on the 9 minus x square. Suppose this value, if you result come here the negative number, 9 minus x square value is come here the positive or 0, then this is the real number. Suppose 9 minus x square becomes the negative value, suppose negative number. If result of this 9 minus square is a real negative number, it means this is the complex number. This will be converted in the root minus. This is the complex number. This value always in the positive form, means 9 minus x square always come in the positive form. Then you can say this is the real number. Yes. Now start here. 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0 because x belong here R. 9. When you multiplying by a negative sign, then minus 9 means x square minus 9. Then this will be inequality sign will be changed when minus sign you multiply here. So this will be plus, here come this will be minus, then you write. It means you are multiplying by the minus sign. Then inequality sign will be changed. So what value of here? X square means x plus 3 and x minus 3 less than equal to 0. It means the value of the x. What value of the x? Minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. This is your domain part. This is your domain part. What value of the x? Between minus 3, including equal sign here, including minus 3 or including here 3 also. It means your domain. What domain here? Domain here minus 3 to plus 3. Minus 3 to plus 3. This is your domain. Now let's find the range. So what is the range now? For range. What value of the fx here? Value of the fx here root 9 minus x square. Y equal to root 9 minus x square. And this is your equation first. This is your equation first. Y minus. Then what value of the y square? In y square equal to 9 minus x square, and then x square equal to 9 minus y square. This is your equation second. From equation first and second. From equation first and second. From equation first and second. You are putting the value x square in equation first. What value you are? 9 minus y square minus 9 less than equal to 0. Putting the value x square 9 minus y square or minus 9 here, then less than equal to 0. So 9 to 9 cancel here, so minus y square less than equal to 0. So y square greater than equal to 0. When value of the y square greater than equal to 0. Now look here. Value of the y square is greater than equal to 0. It means your domain always will positive. Y. What value of the y? The value of the y is, what value of the y? So the value of the y is equal to minus infinite to greater than y and less than plus infinite. This is your codomain part. This is your codomain part. Means minus y, minus infinite to plus infinite. How it possible? Means y square is always coming the positive. Suppose you are putting y equal to minus 1. What value of square? Y square y square means 1 का square always 1. Suppose you are putting plus 1, then y square equal to minus plus 1 का square is equal to 1. Suppose y equal to minus 2, then y square equal to minus 2 square is equal to plus 4. So this will always come in the positive form. Means you are putting the value of negative, positive, all value here. Negative and positive all. It means minus infinite plus to infinite. This is the open interval because we are not using the infinite means not is definite value, then we are using only open interval. So then this is means they are present here the value of the y is minus, but we will check here from equation second, but from equation second this will be x square equal to 9 minus y. This is your codomain part, but what is the range? This is a codomain part, but what is the range? We will find your range. The range here x square, then value of the x square, x equal to root 9 minus y square. This from equation second using here x square 9, then x equal to 9 minus y. Same thing, those are putting you here. This will be the x belong here real number, because x belong here real number. Then this is the real number, this will be also real number. When x is real number means 9 minus y also the real number. When it will be a real number, then 9 minus y square greater than equal to 0. Suppose if you calculate of the 9 minus y square every value of the y, this will be result always coming the greater than equal to 0. Suppose here come this value here come in the 9 minus y square. Suppose 9 minus y will come to negative, then this will become here minus 2. This is a complex number, this is not real number. So this will be always come in the necessarily required. 9 minus y will always come in the positive. Then when you calculate this 9 minus y square for every real value of this, then this will come in the positive. Then you can say r is the x is the real or y is also real. Then 9 minus y is greater than 0, then same things here too. Value of the y square minus 9 less than equal to 0. When multiplying by negative sign, then inequality sign is interchange, greater than convert into less than equal. So same thing here to y plus 3 and y minus 3 less than equal to 0. Same thing here. The next, it means what is the your range? But range here always come here to greater than equal to 0. Why always come to greater than 0? It means your range will be considered range equal always 0 to minus 3. Because in this end, the y square greater than 0, the y also greater than equal to 0. Y square greater than 0, the y also greater than 0. That means value of the y means domain values, sorry, range values 0 to 3, not including the negative value in range. Negative value count in the codomain, but not including in the range. So this is your closed interval. This is your second answer. This is your first answer, or this is your second answer. So this is very simple things you note down, and then next question. Yes, student. Next question I am taking the business exercise question number first. These are very important questions. A different type question. This a relation f is defined by the function. This is the defined by the function. You have two function here, x square in this limit and 3x in this limit. Second, the relation g is defined by gx. First, you have two function here, x square in this limit and 3x in this limit. What you to do here? So that f is the function and g is not a function. You will prove that f is function and g is not function. So just now look here. It's very simple question here, but different type questions. First, I am taking the fx. What is the fx here? X square. X square is well defined. Well defined. at what value x less than equal to 3. Second, fx equal to 3x is also well defined in its limit 3 less than x less than 10. Means first we will check this function. This is the function or not. Here you check this. Here limit here 0 greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3. Here check 3 and 3 both sides. Here more than 3, here less than, but equal sign also. This equal sign using this function or this equal sign using this function. Then you can say, then you check this if this function, this relation is function or not. Yes, now at x equal 3 means fx means f3. You will check first here what is the square of 3, this is the 9, and f3 in second 3 into 3, this is equal to 9. It means you can say here this f3, if you using the 3 in this function, so what is image of this? 9. When you using this 3 in this function, what is image of this? 9. It means a particular having the 9 is this function having the particular image in 3 having the particular image of the 9. Thus you can say कि hence f is a function. Means 3 having the particular image and 9 having the particular here pre-image. So 9 here same number, pre-image here, then 3 having the image of 9. So this is, you can say that this is the function. Second part. Here now gx equal x square is well defined 0 less than equal to less than equal to 2, and gx equal 3x is also well defined 2 less than x less than equal to 10. Gx here I am taking next function this. At same thing here, this is the 2 and 2 value are same similar. At 2 at x equal to 2, that means g2, what value of g2 for first function? This is square of 2, 4. Next g using this function g2, then 3 into 2, this is the 6. It means here 2 in this function 2 having the image 4, in this function 2 having the image of the 6. That means single element having the different image, because here 2 and 2 same element but having the different images. So you can say here hence g is not a function, is not a function. Means g is a relation. You can say g is not function means g is a simple relation. G is not a function means g is a relation. Because here 2 having the different images, this is not function. Here 3 having the same image, then you can say f is the function. Then you can say, suppose in this type function come and then say asking the question here, okay, this is the function, not the how to solve. So you will calculate means always in the like limit. Here equal than less than greater than equal to 2, here less than equal to 2. Those limit will be equal, then you can use the both the function. Then you check this relation is a function or not. Yes, note down. Then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking the same exercise here. Question number 3. Find the domain of the function. Means function here given. This is the rational function because this is the fx upon gx. Solution start. This is the fx upon gx. Suppose any function in this form, then you can say the function is the rational function, because rational function two polynomial function, fx is the polynomial and gx also is the polynomial. But then you can say this is the rational function. What you find here, you will find here the domain. you will find your domain. So how to find your domain? This is the defined by for domain. The for domain defined by domain, where qx does not equal to 0, means gx, this is the gx here, means denominator will part, this will be not 0, this will be not 0, then you can say this is your domain. So in this point this will be 0, then exclude these points. In this point this will be 0, then exclude this point, then all real number your domain. Then now start the solution here. First, fx means what is the denominator here? This is your denominator part, x square minus 8x plus 12 does not equal to 0, means this is your gx part. This is your gx part. What is the gx here? This is your gx. The gx does not equal to 0. When you find the domain, then this will be does not equal to 0. Then you find here x square. What is the factor of the 12? 6 to the 12. 6 plus 2. X plus 12 does not equal to 0. 6 to the 12. 6 plus 2 8. Then x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 does not equal to 0. X square minus, you are taking x common, the x minus 6, you are taking common 2, the x minus 6 does not equal to 0. That means x minus 6 or x minus 2 does not equal to 0. Then you can say x does not equal to 6 and x does not equal to 2. Means x does not equal to 6 and x does not equal to 2. Means in this point this will be 0. The value of the denominator in this point is 0. Excluding these 2 points, rest will be your domain. And then you can take your domain, your all real number excluding 6 and 2. Excluding 6 and 2 means minus 6 and 2, rest real number you can say this is your domain. So this is your answer. How to find your domain? When all real number excluding these points, then you can say all your domain part. Yes, note down. Then next. Yes, then next question I am taking a different type question here. Set A or set B are given, and a Cartesian product of set A set B also are given here. Cartesian product of both sets. Are the following true? Means both are true in this condition. F is the relation from A to B or not? Is it true? Then you write true. F is function of from A to B. If you true, then suppose function, then not relation. If suppose function, then relation is also. But suppose your function is specific relation is called the function. Then you check the function or not. Relation is the every function. Relation is the every mapping here. Let's now look here you solution. Suppose here. What is the mapping here? Then you write here this is the mapping form. Set AB to set B. 1, 2, 3, 4 are here 5, 9, 1, 5, 11. 1 is mapping here 5. This is the 5. 2 is mapping the 9. This is the 9. 3 is mapping the 1, this is the 1, and 4 is mapping the 5, and 2 is mapping the 11 also, but 2 is also is mapping 11. So now look here, in first part, F is the relation from A to B. Yes, you can say here yes, because this is the Cartesian product of this set A and B. But this is the true. This is the relation, means every, this is not metric 2 having the 2 images. This is relation having the every types of the image. Then 2 having the, but second part is here not. No. Second part is false because this is not function, because here 2 ordered pair, means 2 11 and 2 9, means 2 11 and 2 9. first element here same in the both the order pair, to having the same here in both the order pair, then you can say that this is not function. Yeah, you can say in short form this is the two ordered pair. Two ordered pair means if first element is the same in two ordered pair, then you can say two ordered pair. So this is not function, this is only the relation. Yes, note down. Then next.